In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel your Shopify subscription easily and stop getting charged automatically. If you're no longer using your Shopify store, it's important to know how to cancel your subscription to prevent any unnecessary charges. I'll guide you step by step through the process and help you avoid any potential pitfalls along the way. Let's start by navigating to your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the bottom left corner of your screen. Here, you'll find the Settings option. Go ahead and click on Settings. This is where you can manage all the important aspects of your Shopify store, including your subscription. After selecting Settings, take a look at the left-hand panel and find Plan. This is where you'll get an overview of your current subscription details. You should see information about your existing plan and, most importantly, an option to cancel it. Click on Cancel to proceed with the cancellation. It's important to understand that once you cancel your subscription, your Shopify store will be deactivated. This means that customers won't be able to visit your store, and all your data will be archived. You can always reactivate your store within a certain period, should you change your mind, so don't worry if you need to come back later. Now, if you've done this and still find that charges are coming through, you might have other Shopify stores you've set up at some point and forgotten about. It's easier than you think to create multiple stores, especially if you were experimenting with different ideas or configurations. To check for any additional stores linked to your account, look up at the top right corner of your dashboard. There, click on your store name, and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select All Stores. You'll be taken to a page that lists all the stores associated with your Shopify account. Take a close look at this list. Click on any store you wish to cancel, and then repeat the cancellation process we just went through. Go to Settings, select Plan from the menu, and click Cancel. And that's all there is to it. You've now successfully canceled your Shopify subscription and any other associated stores that you no longer need. By following these steps, you can ensure that you're no longer being charged for services you aren't using. Always remember to review your accounts and subscriptions regularly to avoid any unwanted charges. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful in guiding you through the process. If you have any questions or tips of your own, feel free to share them in the comments below.